Hiya, so today I'm going to try something a little bit different, do a bit of product testing. I've been doing a deep clean on my kitchen and on the oven. So I've done the whole oven bright overnight thing, cleaned it all as much as I can, and I'm just left with the door now, which I'm very ashamed to say is disgusting, but I've seen this hack with the pink stuff. So apparently you rub it on your oven door and it gets rid of all the dirt and grime. So let's give it a go and see how it turns out. I've just got a bit on a scouring pad and I'm just gonna rub it in all over. It doesn't really go very far, so you'll probably need a lot. Just keep pulling it on. Like this. Okay, so I've scrubbed it all with the pink stuff and the scourer. I did wet the scourer just to see if it kind of helped make it a little bit easier. There was a few areas where I had a lot of build up that I found I had to scrub a little bit more and put a little bit more work in, but it actually looks really promising. So I'm literally going to wipe it away. And it's so clean, and it wasn't hard at all, and it's one of those jobs that I've just gone, oh, I don't want to do. What I'm going to do now is the rest that you can see is kind of underneath on the other side of the glass. There's got to be a way I can get that out and do that side too, so I'm going to try and figure that out. But yes, 10 out of 10 for the pink stuff. I am so impressed. Definitely get some.